Hello and welcome to SEO Science. How can your small business effectively compete against larger brands and establish businesses in Google search results? Begin with this SEO checklist tailored for small to medium-sized enterprises. Evaluate your small business SEO performance and identify areas for improvement to achieve greater success. SEO involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc., with the ultimate aim of reaching potential customers actively searching for your products or services. It's crucial for your business to appear in various types of search results, including Google Maps, organic listings, featured snippets, images, videos, and more, in order to enhance your online visibility. Small business SEO presents unique challenges, as you may not have a dedicated SEO team or sufficient time to stay updated on the latest search engine developments. In this competitive landscape, you're not only competing against other small businesses, but also against publishers, big brands, and various other informational sources that appear in the search engine results. Moreover, you may lack the budget that larger rivals have at their disposal. However, there are effective strategies you can implement to improve your SEO and enhance the chances of your success. In this video, we will provide an 11-point SEO checklist specifically tailored for small businesses. This checklist will help you prioritize and focus on essential SEO tasks, which will significantly impact your online visibility. By following this checklist, you can make the most of your SEO efforts and increase your chances of attracting potential customers and grow your business. Nail down what problems you solve for customers. Before delving into SEO, it's imperative to comprehend how people conduct their searches. Failing to grasp this can lead to significant financial wastage in paid search, as you might end up targeting the wrong audience or presenting the right audience with an inappropriate message. To ensure success, it's crucial to identify precisely who you're trying to reach and the specific problem you aim to solve for them. Start by asking yourself questions like: how, when, and where do customers determine they need your product or service? Is it away from home using their mobile phones? Is it at home using a desktop computer or tablet? Is it driven by personal desire, like good food to eat or a great place to spend some time? Or is it caused by a disruptive event, like a home or personal issue? These questions cover the language your customers will use to find your business. This information will drive your keyword research and content creation, among other tasks. Fix your technical SEO issues. While your small business website may boast visually appealing graphics, colors, and fonts on the surface, it's essential to address any underlying technical issues. Neglecting these problems could have adverse effects on your search engine rankings and website traffic. Before launching into content creation or link building campaigns, it is crucial to invest time in rectifying the foundation of your website. A solid website structure is necessary to ensure that search engines can effectively crawl and index your web pages, ultimately enhancing your online visibility and organic search performance. Some of the most common technical SEO problems have to do with the following: speed, duplicate content, broken links, improper use of canonical link elements. Optimize your pages. On-page optimization involves more than just simply placing a target keyword strategically within your content. It requires the creation of well-structured, high-quality content written in a natural language that seamlessly incorporates your target keywords. Utilize every suitable approach without resorting to spammy tactics to include your targeted keywords appropriately throughout your website. By doing so, you can enhance the overall effectiveness of your on-page optimization efforts. Otherwise, you're just missing important ranking signals. In other words, you must optimize the following: title tags and subheadings, images and videos, meta description, body content, internal links, and more. Optimize your Google Business Profile. Your Google Business Profile strategy should be a central focus for any small business due to its numerous advantages. It's free, easy to update, and can have a significant impact on your online presence. In the screenshot from a search for San Diego Candy Shop on Google in January 2022, you can see how crucial it is for your Google Business Profile to provide all essential information on potential customer needs. This includes contact details, driving directions, online ordering options, or any other means to convert directly from the listing. To optimize your Google business listing, the initial step is to claim and verify it. Make sure you complete as many fields as possible and include captivating photos and videos to enhance your listing's appeal. The selection of your business category holds great importance. Ensure that you choose the appropriate categories that accurately represents your business. The primary category that you select will determine which attributes and features are available to you. For those who wish to go beyond the basics, take the time to create questions and answers for your Google Business Profile. In local search results, there is a specific section where users can ask questions and receive answers. As a small business, it is vital to stay on top of these queries. You can even proactively create your own questions and provide answers, which can be helpful to potential customers and increase the likelihood of conversions. Find out what competitors are doing and do it better. Online competitors can differ from those operating in your local area. When it comes to SEO, our primary focus lies with the website's ranking in the top 5 to 10 positions of Google search results for your targeted keywords. These are the competitors that require thorough analysis. So you need to look at the following: what those websites are ranking for, how many pages they have indexed, their website structure, the quality of their backlink profile, whether they're ranking for long-tail keywords you could target. Also, we know page speed is a factor in Google's ranking algorithm. Run their landing pages through page speed tools and look for areas of weakness. Google's own page speed insights is a great place to start. For example, are their pages running slow? Are there keywords that they've missed? And are there keywords that they've missed that you can target? Manage local business listings and citations. Apart from managing your Google Business Profile, it's essential to have control over the accuracy of your local business data. Consistency plays a vital role in this regard. Data aggregators, such as Newstar Localese and Factual, share crucial information about local businesses, including their name, address, and phone number. To bolster your local presence, ensure that your business's NAP information remains consistent and accurate across all platforms. Local business listings and citations, which refer to online mentions of your business, can significantly contribute to this objective. To facilitate this process, consider signing up to a free service or utilizing local citation tools. Such tools can efficiently distribute your NAP information across multiple platforms while also monitoring for any potential inaccuracies that may arise. This way you can maintain a strong and accurate local presence, benefiting your overall online visibility and reputation. Get links from websites in your local area. The significance of links often goes unnoticed by most small business owners. Yet obtaining links to your website can be instrumental in enhancing your search engine results, ultimately leading to increased sales and a broader customer base. My perspective on link attraction revolves around a publicity angle. It involves strategies that help spread the word about your business, educate others, and actively participate in the community. By adopting this approach, you can generate more visibility, establish credibility, and foster strong connections with potential customers. Add schema markup. A schema markup helps search engine signals better understand different page components, such as business name, address, phone number, ratings, business hours, currencies accepted, area served, number of employees, and a lot more. Using this markup can help you appear in rich snippets in the SERPs. Focus on getting reviews. The significance of getting reviews in the purchasing process has become ingrained into a buyer's habit. According to Whitespark's local search rankings factor report, local reviews emerged as a prominent local search ranking factor in 2021. Putting effort into obtaining reviews and feedback from your customers can significantly improve your conversion rates. To streamline the process, you can leverage platforms designed to organize and manage review campaigns. Alternatively, a straightforward approach is to encourage customers to leave reviews on major online review sites. These tactics will help you accumulate more local reviews, bolstering your online reputation. It is equally crucial to respond to reviews, whether positive or negative. Not only is your response visible to the person who left the review, but it also impacts other local searchers who might come across the review in the future. Negative reviews in particular present an opportunity to engage with the customer and demonstrate your commitment to excellent service and customer care. Taking the time to respond shows that you genuinely care about your customers' experiences and can foster trust with potential future customers. Create video and images for competitive keywords. Websites require content, primarily in the form of words, to effectively convey their purpose to search engines. However, content extends beyond mere words and should encompass captivating images and compelling videos. In cases where you face challenges in ranking for competitive keywords, consider leveraging properly optimized videos and images. These multimedia elements can be powerful assets in boosting your online visibility and attracting more attention from search engines and potential visitors alike. Mix paid with organic to get going. When embarking on your SEO journey, it's essential to understand that results may not appear immediately. It takes time to see the full impact of your efforts. SEO is a valuable long-term strategy, but there are instances when you need to generate leads promptly. This is where paid search can prove extremely beneficial. While you focus on building your SEO groundwork, allocate a budget for paid search to ensure a consistent influx of leads. Even after achieving a steady flow of organic traffic to your website, running a paid search campaign in conjunction can be very advantageous. PPC ads can complement your organic presence, especially in cases where you face tough competition and struggle to secure the top spot in organic search results. By investing in paid search, you can secure placements that might have been challenging to achieve solely through organic means, helping you reach a broader audience and enhance your overall online visibility. Even when the list of tasks may seem daunting, the key is to take that initial step and get started. Begin by focusing on the first goal that you feel confident about achieving. As you progress, you'll come across helpful local SEO tools that can streamline and expedite the tactics that yield positive results. With time and effort, you'll witness the benefits of your endeavors. You'll accumulate more inbound links from relevant and reputable local sources, enhancing your website's credibility. Consistent consistently adding fresh blog posts and other valuable content will enable you to rank for a broader range of search terms. Once you've successfully tackled the introductory items on this checklist, you'll be prepared to elevate your SEO strategy to new heights, driving even greater success to your online presence. If you like what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further tips or advice. First steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.